How to blur a part of video in CapCut. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So to do that, first of all, you have to launch the CapCut application, and you can also use an existing project or create a new one. Ensure that the video is not selected, and then go to the bottom of the screen and click on Effects, select Video Effects. Now in the search bar, type in Blur. Click on the blur from the options and then click on the check mark in the top. Now extend the blur effect for the entire video by holding and dragging the endpoint. Select the video in the timeline and scroll until you see the duplicate option. Click and hold the overlay, then drag it so that both video play simultaneously. Now look for the mask option. Choose rectangle from the options and then click on invert. You can now adjust the size of the blurred area. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.